Welcome. In front of me is a VIVO V40 SE, and today I will show you how you can hard reset this device through settings. So to get started, you want to open up your settings application and then scroll all the way down to System, choose Reset Options, and then select Erase All Data Factory Reset. Now before you go any further, check out the section right here. This is the list of data that will be removed by this process. So if there's anything in here that you would like to preserve, maybe things like photos or user data, make a backup copy of it before you go any further. Now, assuming you have already done this, or you just simply don't want to back up any data, you can select Erase All Data. And if you have a screen lock, you will need to confirm it. I have a pattern. Once confirmed, takes us to the next page where we get to select Erase All Data the second time, and this will now begin factory resetting your device. This process will take up to about 2 minutes or so to finish up, and once it's completed, we will be presented with Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible for me. And as you can see, the process is now finished, and you can set up your device however you like. So that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.